Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix Gmail out of storage using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for gmail.com. Okay, so now just go ahead and scroll down, and then right here you should see how much storage you used. So just go ahead and click on that. And here you can see where you're where you're using your space or storage. So as you can see here on my Google Drive, I have 0.04 gigabytes. Okay, so here on Gmail, I don't have any space that I've been using. So by the way, this 15 gig of storage is not only here on your Gmail, okay? So this is where your Google Photos, Gmail, and Google Drive take storage. Okay. So now when you want to free up some storage, what you need to do is to just go ahead and scroll down right here. Click on this button, the free up account storage. So just go ahead, click that. And then here you have a lot of options that you can choose from. Okay, so you can review and clean up your emails in spam, files in trash. So just go ahead and clean up that, but you need to make sure that you review all of those because once these emails are deleted, it will be gone for good. Okay, and after you review all of these emails and you don't need any of that, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on this delete all button here at the upper right corner of your screen. So here, as you can see, it says, I understand that deleted items cannot be recovered. Okay, so if you're sure about your action, just go ahead and click on the box and click on permanently delete. Okay, so now, as you can see, the emails in spam is now consuming 0 KB of my storage. And here, if you want to review your trash, just go ahead and review that. So if you want to delete all of this, just go ahead and repeat the process by clicking the delete all button here. And if you're sure about your action, just go ahead and click on the permanently delete button. Okay. So once you've done that, that should free up some space on your account storage. Okay. But you have another option, which is here. So you can subscribe in this plan. So if you want to pay this exact amount per month, you can have 100 gigabytes and here 200 gigabytes per month and here to 479 per month you have 2 terabytes. So choose any plans that you want because the free plan that I am using only have 15 gigabytes. Okay, so if you want to have bigger storage, just go ahead and subscribe in any of this plan. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.